Hello students, today's topic is geometrical meaning of zero of polynomials. On this topic we'll solve exercise 2.1 also. So what is the term geometrical means? Geometrical means graph. Here you can see finding zeros of given polynomial graphically. We have to look into graph, we have to look the curves, and you have to find the zeros. How will you find the zeros? By counting the number of times the curve cuts the x-axis. Let us start with one example. First, take the example of linear polynomial. It can be written, as you know, in the form of ax plus b. Okay. Now, here is the graph of linear polynomial, which is a straight line. As you can see, this straight line is cutting the x-axis at this point. Okay, at only one point. So I'll count the number of times the curve is cutting the x-axis is only 1. So in this case, number of zeros will be only 1. So this was the graph of linear polynomial. We can have properties also. Have a look at it. Graph of a linear polynomial says that it is a straight line graph. It cut x-axis at exactly one point. Okay students, next, finding the zeros of quadratic polynomial. As you know, the standard general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Three cases arise in this. The first case is the curve is touching or cutting the x-axis at only one point. Okay, at this point. So in this case my number of zeros will be 1. Now here in the second case you can see the curve is cutting the x-axis at 2 points. First this point, second this point. So number of times cutting is 2. So I can write it as number of zeros, which is equals to 2. Here in the third case, this curve is not even touching the x-axis. So in this case, number of zeros will be 0. There are no zeros in this case. Coming on to finding the zeros of cubic polynomial. Now, as you can see, this curve is of cubic polynomial. It is cutting the x-axis at 3 points, first, second and third. So number of zeros are here are 3 zeros. So what is the property of cubic polynomial? It does not have a fixed shape, or you can say it does not have a fixed curve. It cuts x-axis at most 3 points. Okay. Now next comes is some practice questions. We'll find out how to find the zeros, number of zeros graphically. Look at the first figure. It is the graph of linear polynomial. As you can see, it's a straight line and it is cutting the x-axis at only one point, this point. Okay. So number of zeros in this case will be only 1. Now looking at the second figure, the curve is cutting x-axis at how many points? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So in this case, number of zeros will be 4. Okay. Looking at the third figure, this curve is cutting x-axis at only one point. Again, number of zeros will be 1. I hope you understood how to find out the number of zeros graphically of a polynomial.